Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. As you can see here, we have 5,000 KR. I'll probably explain how I got that in the next unboxing and how I got my new character look and this cool sniper. And I'll also explain how I got Acid Howler and the Pellucid Sniper in the next video. But first we're going to be doing some unboxings. So hopefully we get at least a relic. I don't think we will, but I really hope we do. So let's do it. First spin, blue. Okay. That's a really bad one. Okay. Actually, yeah, let's do no next one. Legendary. Okay, that's alright. That one's pretty cool. Yeah, I like the green. Also, sorry for any background noise. Next spin. Actually, we're gonna turn down our frame cap. Since I'm level 26, let's do a 26 spin. Hopefully that gets us lucky. Might be a while, but slow down. Keep going, keep going. Come on, come on. Yes, that's a relic. Hopefully it's a die. Ooh. I think that goes for like 7,000, which is pretty good considering I started out with 5k. So that's good. Since 26 is seeming to be lucky, we'll do another one. And it's a purple. Let's see if it's good or bad. That's bad. Okay. 26 seems to have run out. So since we have, let's just go 21. That's my lucky number. And as you can see here in my username, let's do it. And after the spin, we'll be halfway through. Ooh, keep going, keep going. At least a legendary. If it's a good legendary, I could sell it for like 500 for like some wings. But if it's bad, and it's probably gonna be, then it's only like, yeah, that's probably only 200. Okay, now we're gonna go a little faster. 4 more spins. And I like the speed. So we're gonna do one more with that. Oh, that scared me for a sec. Okay, we're gonna reload to reset our luck.